Foundation Repair Garland.
The picture behind me is of a building I built in 1985 that weighed 3 million pounds. I had to level it within thousandths of an inch. If I can level this building, I can level your home. What really makes us unique is the fact that I have been a contractor my whole life. Starting to fix foundations just on homes 12 years ago, I've already invented the Lone Star Crusher, which is a new innovative repair system for foundation. We do foundation repair on residential homes, small apartment buildings. We work a 60-mile radius of Dallas, Texas, and we do drainage correction on commercial and residential property.
I would highly recommend Dave and All American Foundation Repair for anybody that had a foundation problem. His employees were very courteous, efficient, and they were in and out very quickly, and I've had no problems in over 2 years.
Well, I take pride in being an owner. I've been a contractor for 41 years. I am available to come to your home personally and do the free estimate. We do have a very high rating with the Better Business Bureau, the highest rating you can receive. Don't make a mistake with your foundation. Call All American Foundation Repair.